Anyway, welcome back to part 3 of our Chevrolet utility revamp, my gents. As you can see, the car is very dirty. I don't know what the previous owner did to this car, but it's very dirty. So I called Kavisto to come and do my interior detailing. Just look at that. Anyway, Azish. Don't worry, any phone number. Never more for the phone number. I'm going to go to fast. Ah, I better Joe. Yo. Ah. I don't know whether it's profit. I'm going to freaky. We're ready, say. I go for a second. Yeah. My parents are going to have a head. I got you. Hey, can I pass it? Ah, pero não é usa, Joe. Ha, tá com você. Ah, nessa que você advertise.
Colizema.
Sirif.
Sim. Bien mitle mon venir. I get this it.
Tá chance, mano.
Mas alright, it's only timing.
Nggak berhasil. Nggak hadir.
Nyaka tenas. Dikwil.
Ai, that's finally cool.
Ene motho na tsama kuri. Na njela setsa na bona re ke tlo reka one day. A bona ra ifofore once. Yeah. Why?
Boy, I'm into boy. More thinking.
Still remember in the last episode that I was fetching another car. These are the seats. Guess which car this is. Sure, my gents, it's another day now, day 2. Still getting dry. So these are carpets for the other car that I got. Just guess in the comments which car you think I got. Anyway, woke up very early in the morning, took the seats out. Guys, why Shapile? This car was never like this. Okay, so here there are some scratches. Here I'm not gonna do anything. I'm not gonna replace anything. I'm just gonna leave it as is. It has a lot of scratches, guys. Whoever was using this kind of shade, man. But as you can see, it's drying up nicely. So this seat refused to get out. Marabai Shapile anyway, regardless. Just look at that roof, Baba. Just look at this. It was never like this, bro. What I want to change is I want to change the light bulb for this to an LED. Anyway, let's let it dry up and then I'll show it to you once I put the seats back in. There, it's damaged, but anyway, there's nothing we could do about it for now. Anyway, guys, just tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about the seats. How clean do you think this is? It hasn't dried up properly, so never mind the marks, guys. Like, I can't wait for it to fully dry up. But this is the after. What do you think? You saw the before? This is the after. Anyway, watch out for part 4, my gents. We will be doing the bodywork and also fixing the damages here.